everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Camille and today I wanted to show you how to make a vision board. So basically, a vision board is a collage of pictures that will help you stay focused on the goals and dreams that you want to achieve. So I made myself one and I thought it could be interesting to show you how I did it. So let's get started. All you need to get started is a canvas, the size of your choice, some magazines or some printed images, scissors, liquid glue and a paintbrush, or just a glue stick. To begin with, search through your magazine or the internet to find images that you like and inspire you. It can be fashion figures, decoration if you want to change a room, plants or landscape if you want a more natural life, food and sport if you'd like to be in a better shape, or even nice quotes. In fact, it can be anything that will keep you motivated to reach your goals. On my vision board, I like to use a mix of images that are cut out and others that are ripped out. I find that it gives the vision board some texture and a more interesting look. It also helps the images to blend in more nicely. Once you have collected a huge amount of pictures, or if you're like this crazy person who has been keeping images since elementary school, like me, select your favorite ones and place them on your canvas in a disposition that pleases your eyes. You can change their placement until you're happy with the result. Every vision board is personal and unique. It must be the reflection of your dreams and goals. Remember that you are going to look at it every single day, so make it pretty. Now, all you need to do is to glue everything down together. And voila! A beautiful and unique vision board that I'm sure will make you want to be your best and achieve your goals. Just hang it up on your wall or put it in your shelf, a place where you can see it on a daily basis. That is it for the video. I hope you like it and got inspired to make one of your own. If you did, just send me a picture. You can also like and subscribe if you feel like it. So have a great day and I see you in the next video. Bye!